Application software is a name given to the programs prepared for the end users. Application software is developed for the user-specific requirements with help of high-level languages. The application software is a program that mainly helps users carry out certain specific tasks using a computer system like word processors, simulations, graphics, and web browsers. Application software is developed and installed individually by the users. Contrary to system software, application software works at the front end and called as apps. Application programs need a different base programs to run. For example, I need a browser to serve you this video, and that browser needs another program to run, which is an operating system. These programs do not communicate directly with computer hardware. That's why they don't use machine code directly. Application software is developed according to the characteristics of the operating systems on which it will run. If application software developed for Linux operating system, it will not run on the Windows operating system. A different converter application is needed for it to work on Windows OS. We can categorize application software from various aspects. Application software according to usage purposes. General purpose application software and special purpose application software. General purpose application software is application software that fulfills a specific purpose, has specific functions, and has a widespread user base, like Windows Word, LibreOffice, Adobe Reader. Special purpose application software is developed for institutions, individuals, or organizations to carry out operations related to their work and occupation over the computer. Like HIMSS, Hospital Information Management System software is developed for the hospital management system. Application software according to copyright specifications. Open source software, commercial application software. We talked about what's open source, but let's have a brief summary. Open source software is software with source code that anyone can modify, change, or develop for their specific requirements. Open source software codes are published openly for general, and the source code is open for all. It continues to work with donations and by providing consultancy services, but not by selling the licenses. On the other hand, commercial software is designed and developed for licensing to end users. If anyone needs to use their software, they have to pay for it and to get the authorized license. Application software according to installation way on the computer. Installed-based application or desktop application, web-based application. Desktop application is a type of software that you install directly on your computer. You can launch it whenever you want independently of other applications on the computer. They take up space of your hard drive and can work regardless of internet connection. Web-based application is used through the internet via web browsers. Instead of storing the files on your computer, they are located on a remote server like cloud-based applications. Web-based application is easy to use than installed application because you don't need to install anything on your computer. All you need is web browser and internet connection. Desktop application is more secure than web-based application because it's loaded into your system and you don't need an internet connection. But on the other hand, web-based application is also good for mobile devices because they don't need a lot of resources like desktop applications. System software and application software work in relation to each other. The difference between them may not be understood easily for the end users, because they carry out the transactions related with each other and according to a certain order. Although it's not important for the end users what the differences are, it will be useful for those who are interested in IT technologies to know these differences. Now we can talk about the main differences between system software and application software. System software is designed to manage system resources such as memory management, process management, protection and security, and also provides a platform for application software to run. On the other hand, application software is designed to answer the requirements of users performing certain tasks. The system software is written in low-level language such as assembly language. However, application software is written in high-level language like Python and Java. When the system is powered on, the system software starts and runs until the system is shut down. Application software starts when the user starts and stops the program. The system software is installed when the operating system is installed on the computer, but application software is installed according to the requirements of a user. The best example of system software is the operating systems, and application software examples are Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, Photoshop, etc.